Today, an ambitious goal is set for Russian universities to successfully compete with the world's leading institutions of higher learning. More than 50 leading Russian universities battled for the right to participate in the project. The result should be the emergence in Russia of a group of leading modern universities by 2020, all of which will by then have an efficient management structure and an international academic reputation of the highest caliber, plus the flexibility to meet the world's trends and to respond with agility to global change.
Far Eastern Federal University, Center for International Cooperation in the Asia-Pacific region. More than 2,000 students from 35 countries are currently studying at FIFU.
ITMA University is the alma mater for world champions in sports programming.
A unique scientific and educational profile, information and photonic technologies.
Kazan Federal University, one of the leaders in the study of extragalactic signals in the optical, gamma and X-ray spectrums, dedicated to developing brain neuroscience and new materials for quantum technologies. Lobachevsky University, innovative and entrepreneurial, with designs on helping small businesses. Among its researchers is winner of the Nobel Prize for Medicine, Harold Zorhausen. Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology, one of the most prestigious technical universities in Russia. Its founders and first professors were Nobel laureates Pyotr Kapitsa, Nikolai Semyonov and Lev Landau. National Research Nuclear University, Moscow Engineering Physics Institute, a global leader of education, science and innovation in nuclear and radiation studies, nanotechnology and engineering. The establishment and development of MEPhi was attended by prominent Soviet scientists including Nobel Prize winners Nikolai Basov, Igor Tam, Ilya Frank, Pavel Cherenkov and others. National Research Tomsk Polytechnic University implements 18 joint programs with foreign universities. The university's International Scientific Council is headed by Nobel Prize winner for chemistry Dan Shechtman. National Research Tomsk State University implements scientific and business projects with more than 60 international partners. In excess of 100 foreign scientists work in the 64 world-class laboratories and 5 centers of excellence at the university.
National Research University Higher School of Economics, one of the youngest and most dynamic Russian institutions.
The HSE houses more than 1,400 students from abroad and benefits from 220 foreign scientific and pedagogical personnel. Among them is the winner of the Nobel Prize for Economics, Eric Maskin. National University of Science and Technology, MSIS, the leading institute in Russia for preparing engineering and scientific personnel in materials sciences, metallurgy, mining, biomaterials, nanotechnology and IT technologies. MSIS has more than 20 world-class laboratories and 3 modern engineering centers.
National Research Novosibirsk State University has close ties with the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences.
Senior students devote themselves to study in the institutes of the Academy of Sciences. Peter the Great St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. 3 scientists from the SBBPU were awarded the Nobel Prize. Priority directions of development for the university include multidisciplinary research and over-industry high-tech computer technologies. Samara State Aerospace University, one of the few universities in the world where students can create and launch their own satellites into space and then monitor and manage their orbital pattern. SSAU is involved in the construction of international nanosatellites, which are used for scientific purposes QB50. St. Petersburg State Electrotechnical University occupies a leading position in the fields of nano and microelectronics, electrical engineering, radio electronics, information and telecommunication systems, and biotech.
Ural Federal University. More than 1,000 international students from 36 countries are studying here. The purpose of the university is the formation of an international-level scientific educational and innovative center. 6 new universities joined the project this fall. Immanuel Kant Baltic Federal University. The IKBFU mission is to form the leading national university center, focused on observing biomedic, neuro and nanotechnologies. Life-improving products are expected to be the result of this research. More than 340 foreign students from Latvia, Lithuania, Poland and Germany are currently studying at the university. People's Friendship University of Russia is a multi-profile university, uniting scientific research and studies in dozens of courses. The university unites more than 28,000 undergraduate and graduate students and interns from 152 countries. Rudia nowadays has more than 250 agreements with foreign universities and research centers. Sechenov First Moscow State Medical University, a superior academic, scientific and resource center in Russian national healthcare. 2,200 students from more than 70 countries are currently studying there. The university is proud of its prominent alumni. World-famous writer Anton Chekhov, physiologist Ivan Sechenov, surgeon Nikolai Pirogov, cardiosurgeon Leo Bakeria, and many other talented clinicians and researchers. Siberian Federal University is one of the leading Russian universities in such areas as ecology, biology and physics. One of the university's top priorities is comprehensive support for the use of national taiga and Arctic ecosystems. 500 students from 30 countries study at SibFU. South Ural State University. The university's mission is to prepare a new generation of leaders able to solve global sustainable development tasks. It achieves its goals by the most effective method of smart decisions and targets global leadership in supercomputing, engineering, and natural and human sciences. 2,000 foreigners from 37 countries are studying for their degrees at the South Ural State University. University of Tyumen. The university's mission is to train graduates with relevant, globally competitive, world-class skills, with a view to transforming the social environment and to create new, successful businesses. Scientific research is aimed at solving the problems of rational territory and the use of natural resources. Each university has developed its own successful strategy for elevating its international position and gaining a measurable edge among the competition worldwide. The goal of Project 5100 is not only to attract the best foreign researchers, lecturers and students, but also to create technology and other substantive materials that will change the world. Project 5100 continues to gain momentum. Welcome to Russia.